Hi you guys, here's a quick review on this TY Beanie Baby 2005 Beanie Baby of the Month Serenade the Red Robin plush. Without further ado, let's get into the review. Here's its beak, very nice, plastic eyes, here's the tag, there it is, there's the back of it. Here's its tag. Really, really nice looking. Serenade. There's the feet. Love this plush so much. Yep. Look at the feathers in there. Love that material. Very awesome looking bird. Serenade the Robin. There's the badge right there. Ta-da! Right there. The badge. Beanie Baby of the Month. It says it right there in the tag too. Let me set down the camera and show you what the tag looks like. There we go. Got the tag off. Alright. It says, there it is. It says, Serenade, April 2005. I hope the neighbors don't complain when I'm outside. Your window pane play. I don't know what it is. I'll sing and play a song or two. A serenade. That's just for you. Alright. Very, very nice. Put the tag back on. Stand them up. Alright, let's finish with the review. Very nice looking plush. Robin. Very cool. There's the tail feather, wings, there's the back, and like this, there's the front, very nice looking, there's the beak, there's the tail feather, really nice looking plush. Turn them around, really cool, very nice. The beak, plastic eyes, the tag, awesome looking, nice feathers, really awesome looking plush. There's the back, very awesome and amazing looking, very nice. Very cool. Love the bird. This plush is really awesome looking. I mean, really dig this plush. So much in its glory. There's the red belly. Very nice. Really awesome looking. It's Beanie. Very nice. Here it is up top. Then the bottom, and like this, and the back, and like this, very nice and awesome looking. Yep, love the robin. Robin is very cool. There's the beak, again, the wing, there's the material right there. Very nice and soft. Robin plush. Yep. Really cool. Very awesome and amazing plush. There's its feet. Very nice. There's the back. And like this. And like this. Very nice looking plush. Yep. And that's it. Alright, guys. That's the quick review on this TY Beanie Baby, April 2005, Beanie Baby of the Month, Serenade the Red Robin Plush. Alright, guys. Bye.